Hi, dear students. I welcome you for the sixth lesson of civics. Rules are for everyone. This lesson is regarding why the rules are important in society and why should we follow the rules. So, and certain rules are also mentioned that everyone has to follow. So there is a question that why the rules are required and why rules should be followed. Okay, so we'll be discussing about that. There are certain rules which are found in society. If the rules are not followed, there are chances that in society there may be chaos. If the people are not following the rules, there may be indiscipline. The discipline of the society will be collapsed. So people should follow the rules. Then we have examples of traffic rules. So we can take example, if the traffic rules are not followed, if the people are not following traffic rules, so there are consequences like there may be accident or there may be traffic jams, which is again creating a problem to society only. So it is the responsibility of the people to follow the rules. Rules need to be made to specify each person's duties and responsibility. So rules will specify that these are the duties and responsibility of the people and they should follow. If the people are responsible toward their duties and responsibility, the problem of what we can say indiscipline will not be arising. Even we have the rules in our schools also, and that we follow in our schools. So imagine if the rules are not followed, if there is no timetable for periods, or there is no timetable for coming and going to school, what will happen? So you can't imagine. So rules are very important and we have to follow all the rules. Rules are meant for everybody. So in front of rule, there is no such person who is excused from the rules or who is not applicable to follow the rule. So everyone in the society has to follow the rules. It may be a rich person, it may be a poor person, whoever is the person, the rules are same for everyone. No one is above the rules. Okay. Then what will happen if the rules are not followed? If the rules are not followed, then it leads to punishment. There may be punishments. Okay. So if the rules are not followed, suppose if in the school you are not following the rules, you are not doing your homework on time, so you must have got punishment anytime. So the result of not following the rules is what? Punishment. There is no discrimination in punishment for breaking the rules. Whoever is the person, the government has made certain laws, certain rules which are applicable to everyone. So there is no discrimination in the following the rules. Rules are for everyone. It may be a prime minister of the country, it may be a poor person of the country, but both of them have to follow the rules. If they are not following the rules, certainly they may face punishments. So there is equality on the basis of rules. So I hope you understood the importance and need of the rules. Then Like the next point is rule of nature and rule of man. Changes in rule. Okay. So our society works according to certain rules. We make the rules ourselves. So who has created the rules? The human being have only created the rules. The human have created the rules, and who is going to follow those rules? Of course, the human beings. So the rules are made by the humans, and they are supposed to follow by the human only. So we follow these rules because they are meant for common good. The rules are made for the common good, as I told you example of traffic rules. If the people are not following the traffic rules, definitely it is going to create a problem to society people only. So it is important that people should follow the rules, and they are for our good only. So proper changes are also made in the rules as the time changes. So as per time, the rules are also changing. Like in past, the rules were different. In present, according to situation, we have made certain changes in the rules. Okay, so as per the need or as per the situation changes, the people has to change the rules of the society. And these rules are expected because there may be some problems with those rules, or as per the time changes, it required also changes, because the society and society nature is also changing. People's desires are changing, people's attitudes are changing, people's opinions are changing. So we need a change in the rules. So there is a difference between the rules of society and that of rules of nature. What are those changes? Like natural occurrences follow laws of nature. So there are many things that follow the rule of nature. Like we can say the sun rises to east, as we say. This is a rule of the nature, and that is not going to change. So natural rules are, or the we can say rule of the nature are not changing. They will be as usual same. We cannot change the laws of nature. The rising and setting of the sun and the change in the season never stops. We can't make any change in the rising and setting of the sun. The same way we cannot change the seasons. So it means that the rules of the nature are not changeable. They can't be changed. Even we can have the example of the law of gravity does not change, isn't it? So the law of gravity will be as same as it was in the past. The rising of the and falling of the tides will be same. Then phases of the moon will also be the same. Then we can say nature's laws are constant and fixed. They do not ever become outdated. What is outdated? Means according to, suppose the time is changing, so we need change in it. So that is not possible with the rules of nature. The rules of nature are not outdated anytime. They are constant. They don't require any kind of change. They will be as it is same. However, the rules of the man, or we can say human laws, need to be changed with the changing conditions. Okay, as the condition will be changed, the laws and the rules also will be changed. For example, during the time of Britishers, when they were in India, there were different rules. When India got the freedom, the situation changed, and the law of civic life also changed accordingly, and Indian government made many changes in the rules which were made by the Britishers or British government. For example, uh, after independence, the voting age, or people who are eligible to do vote, their age is changed, and the age for voting is reduced. Earlier, before the independence, the age criteria for voting or giving votes was 21, but after the independence, the government has made the change in that rule, and now the age for voting is 18 years. So one thing you can do is ask your parents and grandparents what rules were followed during their times at school. You can make three columns. In one column you will be writing about the rules which you are following. Then in second column you can write the rules which were followed by your parents or your father and mother, and the third is the rules which were followed by the grandparents. So these three columns can be made, and you can make these columns. Then you have a picture here. So a teacher is saying that people of every age need nourishing food. Means it may be a girl or it may be a boy. Everyone required nourishing food. It required a balanced diet, irrespective of any gender. But the girls is asking a question, and that is quite truth also. So the girl is asking question, don't girls need as nourishing a diet as is given to boys? At home they feel only my brother needs good food. So this question is quite appropriate in some of the condition in India. Some, I am saying some, not all. We have gender discrimination, especially in rural and area where they are not modern, or they are away from the modern societies. Illiterate people, rather, we say. Here the gender discrimination happens where the girls are not treated as equal to boys. So it is not good that there should be certain rules and certain we can say discrimination should not happen with any part of the society. So it may be male, female, or any other part of the society. We can say it may be illiterate, educated, or rich, poor. So the rule should be for everyone. There should not be special concession for the rich or some particular group of people. So rules are same, or they should be same, and there should not be discrimination as far as the rules and society laws are concerned. So here we have certain questions, like these are the questions like, can you tell? The first question is, can you tell some traffic rules? So if you are asked such question, so that there are certain traffic rules that we have to follow. There are a number of rules that we need to follow during traveling, like we have to follow the signals, like we have green signal, then we have red signal. So people should follow those rules. Then the people who have the license, they should only drive the vehicles. There are so many rules that we have to follow. And the second question is like, give reason why we should obey these rules. So for this reason, I have already told you that if the rules of traffic are not followed, then it may arise a problem. It may create a problem, like it may create traffic jams. It may create accidents. So this can happen, or this may create a problem for the people only. Then, which of these rules do you feel need to be changed? So you might be feeling that there should be some changes in the rules. So there are changes required in certain rules. Like government has made the change in the rule as the time has passed. Like recently government has made the rule that if the child whose age is below 18 years and who is driving a vehicle, so who should be given the punishment? The government has decided or made a rule that the parents will be given the punishment. Why? Because it is equally fault of the parents who are giving their children or the minors the permission to drive the vehicles which are not eligible to draw the vehicles. So this is a change that we can see in the traffic rules. Even the government has increased the fine for the people who are not following the traffic rules. So certain changes are required, and they are being made as the time is passing. So what other rules do you think are needed for better discipline in traffic? So the important thing is, rules are important, but the people should follow themselves. If the people are following themselves, the question of controlling people or supervising the people doesn't arise. If the people are themselves following the rules, there is no issue of disobeying the rules. So that is also important. So people should follow rule by themselves. Then here is one situation, like two situations are given. One, in first situation, I have written all your money. How can I still be in debt? A poor man is asking to a money lender that he has written all the money, still he is demanding the debt. So this is a kind of discrimination that is happening in the society. With the muscles power, people can torture the poor and neglected people. For that reason, we have rules. The people should know the rules. What can be done if such things or such things are happening in the society. In the second picture, again the situation is quite similar, where a woman, a rich woman, is not happy with the working women, and the working women has a complaint that you can see in the picture. So this type of discrimination may happen in the society. It should be stopped. There are certain rules. People should know about them, and they should take advantage, or they should use such laws and rules for betterment of their life. Okay, there are certain social evils of Indian society. You can see in the picture. These social issues are seen from a long time, and we have to work for this. It creating discrimination and what can we a hurdle in the progress of our society, like illiteracy. means where the many peoples are not getting education. So this should be stopped and everyone should get the education. Then second is superstitions means wrong beliefs. As people are illiterate, they follow such some rules, or so they behave such a way that they are not expected to behave. Like if the cat is crossing the road, people think that it is unlucky. So this is a kind of superstition. So in our society this should be stopped if we want a progress. Then we have child marriages, where the girl whose age is against the law. Suppose as the government has made the rule that if the girls want to marry, her age should be more than 18. But in our society it's happening that parents, especially illiterate and those away from the society, in very remote areas, in even villages, people are allowing, or they are doing the marriages of girls whose age is less than 18 years. Same is with the boys also. Then child labor is also one more problem that we have. According to rule, according to law, the girls and boys both have the right to go to school until they complete their 14 years of age. If any parents or any person who is giving them job, or parents are forcing them to do the works, so they can be punished. Both the person who is giving the job and parents of those children, they are punished, they can get punishment. So this should be stopped. Then we have certain rules which are good for us. There are certain good rules which are made and that are good for the societies. Here some of the examples are given, like prohibition against the loudspeaker in public places after 10 o'clock at night. This is a very good rule now, because most of the time people during the festival celebration, people have the loudspeakers and it is quite full volume, so it is disturbing the sleep of the people, it is disturbing the rest of the people. So now the Supreme Court has banned on this, so you cannot play the music on loudspeakers after 10 o'clock. Then the rule is made that there should be free primary education for boys and girls. For that reason government is implementing different schemes like right to education and so many others. Then prohibition is against the dumping garbage in the river. Then domestic violence, that is the violence that happen in the families, that is also banned. Then there is a ban on child labor. There is a ban also on falling the trees, even hunting and poaching. So these are the certain rules. There are certain examples of the rules that are made, and these are good for everyone. So I hope I have covered the important points of the lesson. So here we'll stop.